Now we see the properties of the scalar product. Okay, here we know the definition of the scalar product. When it is a bar dot b bar is equal to magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar into cos theta. It is a definition of the scalar product of vector a bar and b bar. Here theta is the angle between vector a bar and b bar. Now first here we take the a bar dot b bar. Okay. Now we take the b bar dot a bar. It is magnitude of a bar into, it is magnitude of b bar into magnitude of a bar and into cos of. If the angle between a bar and b bar it is theta, then if the angle between a bar and b bar is a theta, then the angle between b bar and a bar is also theta. And then magnitude of b bar, magnitude of a bar are the scalars. Therefore, magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar is equal to magnitude of b bar into magnitude of a bar. Therefore, we can write it is a bar dot b bar is equal to b bar dot a bar. That is a bar dot b bar equal to b bar dot a bar. It is a commutative property. Okay. Here first commutative, it is a bar dot b bar is equal to b bar dot a bar. Now second distributive. Okay. Here if a bar dot b bar plus c bar, then a bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c bar, that is a bar distribute with the addition of two vectors, it is b bar and c bar, a bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c bar. Okay. Now if m and n are scalars, then here m into a bar dot b bar, m into a bar dot b bar, it is m into a bar is equal to, it is m into a bar dot b bar or a bar into m into b bar, because m is a scalar into vector, it is a vector dot vector, it is a dot product. Then when we take the dot product and then multiply with a scalar, or it is m multiply with a bar or it is a b bar, it is a bar dot m into b bar, it is a scalar multiplication. Okay. Now here suppose m into a bar dot n into a bar, it is b bar. Okay. A bar and b bar are the vectors, m and n are the scalar. Therefore m into a bar, it is a vector, is also vector. Therefore we can write here m into n are the scalars into a bar dot b bar. Okay. It is scalar multiplication. Okay. Commutative, distributive, and it is scalar multiplication. Now here if theta is equal to 0, then a bar dot b bar is equal to magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. If theta is equal to 0, here we know the definition of the, it is a dot product. Therefore if theta equal to 0, therefore a bar dot b bar is equal to magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar into cos 0, and cos 0 it is 1, therefore it is magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. Okay. A bar dot b bar, when theta equal to 0, it is a magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. Okay. Now if theta is equal to pi, then a bar dot b bar is equal to minus magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. Okay. Theta is equal to pi, then when theta is equal to pi and then cos pi is equal to, it is a minus 1, and therefore it is a minus. If theta is equal to pi and theta is equal to 0. Okay. Here if theta is equal to pi by 2, Pi by 2 means 90 degree. That means angle between A bar and B bar is equal to pi by 2. That means the two vectors are perpendicular. Okay, here if theta is equal to pi by 2, if theta is equal to pi by 2, that is A bar and B bar are perpendicular. Okay, A bar and B bar are perpendicular. Therefore, here if theta is equal to pi by 2, then it is a 0, and then dot product it is a 0. Here it is a, then it is if A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Here if and only if A bar perpendicular to B bar. Okay, here we can write here it is a, let theta is equal to pi by 2, then that is theta, A bar and B bar are the perpendicular. Then A bar dot B bar is equal to 0 if and only if A bar and B bar are the perpendicular. If two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. Or if a dot product of two vector is a 0, then two vectors are the perpendicular. Okay, आता क्वेश्चन याच्यावर विचारणार तुम्हाला, शो दॅट द टू व्हेक्टर्स आर परपेंडिक्युलर. दोन वेक्टर परपेंडिक्युलर कसे दाखवणार? डॉट प्रोडक्ट काढा, डॉट प्रोडक्ट जर 0 आला तर टू वेक्टर्स आर परपेंडिक्युलर. ओके, in the last lectures we see the parallel condition. Okay, one vector is a scalar multiple of other, then two vectors are collinear, that is the parallel. And here if the dot product of two vectors is a 0, then two vectors are perpendicular. Okay, parallel ची condition काय? One vector is a scalar multiple of other, then two vectors are parallel. And now here dot product condition, if the dot product of two vectors is a 0, then two vectors are perpendicular, and if two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. Okay, now then here we take I cap dot I cap. Okay, we take the dot product of two vectors, that is I cap dot I cap. Then it is I cap dot I cap. It is I cap, it is a unit vector along x-axis. J cap, it is a unit vector along y-axis, and K cap, it is a unit vector along z-axis. Now I cap dot I cap, by definition, it is magnitude of I cap into magnitude of I cap and into cos theta. Theta is the angle between two vectors. Angle between I cap and I cap, it is a 0. And therefore it is 1 into 1 into 1, and it is 1. Therefore I cap dot I cap is equal to 1. Similarly J cap dot J cap, it is 1, and K cap dot K cap is also 1. Therefore I cap dot I cap, J cap dot J cap, and K cap dot K cap is equal to 1 here. And I cap dot J cap, J cap dot K cap, and it is K cap dot I cap. Okay, here I cap dot J cap लिहा किंवा J cap dot I cap लिहा, it is dot product is commutative. I cap dot J cap or J cap dot K cap. Here I cap dot J cap, here we know that the vector I cap and J cap are the perpendicular to each other. Then perpendicular means angle is 90 degree, and angle is 90, that is it is 0, and therefore it is 0. By using the definition, or we use this property, if two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. I cap and J cap are the perpendicular, J cap and K cap are perpendicular, K cap and I cap are perpendicular, therefore their dot product is 0. It is a dot product of two vectors. Okay, now then if A bar is equal to A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap, and B bar is equal to A2 I cap plus B2 J cap plus C2 K cap, then A bar dot B bar is equal to, okay, here व्हेक्टर्सच्या मॅग्निट्यूड आणि अँगल जर दिलेले असले तर डायरेक्ट या फॉर्मनं तुम्हाला डॉट प्रॉडक्ट काढता येते. पण आता इथे तुम्हाला डायरेक्टली दोन व्हेक्टर्स दिलेले आहेत आय जे केच्या फॉर्ममध्ये. ओके, मग त्या दोन व्हेक्टरचा डॉट प्रॉडक्ट कसा काढणार? हेअर डॉट प्रॉडक्ट. ओके, सी केअरफुली. ए बार डॉट बी बार डॉट प्रॉडक्ट इट इज अ मल्टिप्लिकेशन A1 I cap प्लस B1 J cap प्लस C1 K cap डॉट A2 I cap plus B2 J cap plus C2 K cap. Now we take the multiplication. Here multiplication it is a dot. First it is A1 I cap, multiply all things. It is A1 and A2 are the scalar, therefore A1 A2 into I cap dot I cap, I cap dot I cap. Then A1 I cap B2 J cap, it is A1 B2 I cap dot J cap plus A1 C2 I cap dot K cap. ओके, फक्त मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं स्ट्रेट. A1 I cap न तिन्हीला मल्टिप्लाय केलं, आता B1 J cap न मल्टिप्लाय करा. देन प्लस B1 A2 J cap dot I cap plus B1 B2 J cap dot J cap plus B1 C2 J cap dot K cap. It is a product of two vectors and it is a product of two scalars. Okay, now plus C1 K cap, C1 A2 K cap dot I cap plus C1 B2 K cap dot J cap and plus C1 C2 K cap dot K cap. Then we know that I cap dot I cap, J cap dot J cap and K cap dot K cap is equal to 1, and it is I cap dot J cap dot K cap. Okay, same vectors, unit vectors, it is a dot product 1, and different it is a 0. Therefore we can write here A1 A2 into 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, it is 1. Therefore A1 A2, it is 0, it is 0, it is 0. Now here plus B1 B2, then again 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 0 0 and plus C1 C2, and therefore you can write A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2, and therefore it is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. Now here we observe that when the two vectors are given, then dot product of two vectors is the multiplication of components of I cap, J cap and K cap. Okay, corresponding multiplication of corresponding components of I, J and K. It is A1 A2 B1 B2 and C1 C2. डॉट प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे काय? I I च्या कोएफिशियंटचा गुणाकार, J J च्या कोएफिशियंटचा गुणाकार आणि K K च्या कोएफिशियंटचा गुणाकार. ओके, त्याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन आणि इट इज अ ॲडिशन. A1 A2 प्लस B1 B2 प्लस C1 C2. इट इज अ सिम्पल डॉट प्रोडक्ट आणि हे तुम्हाला प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पलमध्ये यूज करायचं आहे. व्हेन वी गिवन टू व्हेक्टर्स, देन देअर डॉट प्रोडक्ट इज the multiplication of components of the corresponding components of the vectors. Okay, here it is a proof. Here if we have the two vectors, it is a bar is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, and b bar it is 4i cap minus 5j cap plus 3k cap. Then dot product of these two vectors a bar dot b bar is equal to, here see carefully, 3 into 4 plus 2 into minus 5 plus 1 into 3. Okay, here 3 into 4, 2 into minus 5 and 1 into 3. Then it is 12 minus 10 and plus 3. 12 minus 10 plus 3. 3 into 4, 12. 2 into minus 5 minus 10. 1 into 3, it is 3. And then it is 12 minus 10, it is 2 plus it is 5. Then dot product of these two vectors, it is a 5. Okay. सेम या पद्धतीनेच तुम्हाला कॅल्क्युलेशन करायचे. हे झाले तुमचे एक्झाम्पल्स. आणि सगळ्यात प्रत्येक प्रॉब्लेममध्येच तुम्हाला डॉट प्रॉडक्ट या पद्धतीनेच यूज करायचं आहे. ए बार असा वेक्टर दिलेला असणार, बी बार वेक्टर दिलेला असणार. एखाद्या वेळेस वेक्टर नाही देत, पॉईंटच्या फॉर्ममध्ये देतील. ठीक आहे, पॉईंटच्या फॉर्ममध्ये काय, सपोज ए पॉईंट इट इज 3,2,1, बी पॉईंट 4,-5,3 and C point, and suppose C it is 4, 3, -2. Okay, then find the dot product of vector AB and AC. So we first find the vector AB and vector AC. Vector AB it is a B bar minus A bar. Vector AC it is a C bar minus A bar. Therefore A bar, B bar and C bar are position vectors of point A, B and C. Therefore we can write A bar is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap and plus k cap. B bar it is 4i cap minus 5j cap and plus 3k cap. And C bar it is 4, 3 minus 2, 4i cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap. We find the vector AB and AC. Therefore vector AB it is B bar minus A bar. B bar minus A bar it is I cap minus 7j cap and plus 2k cap. Okay, see carefully the subtraction. B bar minus A bar, B bar minus A bar, I cap minus 5 minus 2 and 3 minus 1. And AC it is C bar minus A bar. C bar minus A bar again I cap plus, so it is J cap and minus 3k cap. C bar minus A bar, C bar minus A bar, C bar minus A bar, C bar minus A bar. Now we take the dot product of these two vectors. Vector AB dot vector AC. Therefore we can write I cap minus 7j cap plus 2k cap dot I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap. And therefore dot product it is coefficient of I it is 1, 1 into 1, 1, minus 7 into 1 it is minus 7, 2 into minus it is minus 6. Okay, that is here it is 1 into 1 plus minus 7 into 1 plus minus 2 into minus 3. It is 1, it is minus 7 and it is minus 6, and then it is minus 12. Okay, minus 12 it is a dot product of these two vector AB and AC when the 3 points are the given. Okay, म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला या पद्धतीने करायचे. ओके, हे एक्झाम्पल्स लक्षात राहू द्या. इट इज अ डॉट प्रोडक्ट. ओके, नाउ इफ द डॉट प्रोडक्ट इज 0, सपोज हा डॉट प्रोडक्ट जर 0 आला असता तर काय आला असतं, AB and AC आर द परपेंडिक्युलर. हियर डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0. ओके, इथं सपोज हे प्लस आला असतं, इट इज -2 सपोज. ओके, देन हे प्लस आला असतं आणि हे 0. देन द डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ AB and AC इज 0. देन AB and AC are the perpendicular vectors. If the dot product of two vectors it is a 0, then vectors are perpendicular. Okay, now we see the next property. Here it is a number 10. If A bar dot A bar is equal to magnitude of A bar square. A bar dot A bar is equal to magnitude of A bar square, and simply it is we can write A square. Okay, here let A bar is equal to A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap. Then we take the dot product of A bar dot A bar. Okay, A bar dot A bar, then A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap dot A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap. Then A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. It is a bar dot A bar, and it is magnitude of a bar, it is under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square, and it is a square, then it is this. Therefore a bar dot a bar is equal to magnitude of a bar square. Okay, similarly b bar dot b bar, it is magnitude of b bar square, or simply b square. Okay, or p bar dot p bar is equal to magnitude of p bar square, or simply p square. Okay, this can be proved by using this result. Okay, fourth result use करून prove करता येते. Here when we take a dot product of same vector, that is a bar dot a bar, okay, then theta is equal to 0, and that means magnitude of a bar into magnitude of a bar into cos 0, it is number 4, and then it is cos 0, it is 1, and magnitude of a bar square. Okay, proof कोणतं येईल, फक्त प्रॉपर्टी लक्षात राहू दे व्यवस्थित. Okay, now last it is angle between two vectors. If theta be the angle between vectors a bar and b bar, then it is theta is equal to cos inverse of a bar dot b bar upon magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. Okay, or cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar upon magnitude of a bar. Okay, has formula असंही लिहिता येते. Cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar upon magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. Okay, it is the angle between two vectors. Theta is equal to cos inverse of a bar dot b bar upon magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. It is by definition of dot product. Here definition of dot product, it is a bar dot b bar is equal to magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar into cos theta. Okay, and therefore cos theta is equal to magnitude of b bar and b bar division मध्ये आणली. Okay, now here it is an angle between two vectors. Okay, here if the vectors are given, a bar is equal to a1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap, and b bar is equal to a2 I cap plus b2 j cap plus c2 k cap, then theta is equal to cos inverse of, here cos inverse of a bar dot b bar या दोन वेक्टरचा डॉट प्रोडक्ट, that is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 and whole to the upon under root of magnitude of a bar, it is a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into under root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, here okay, सेकंड स्टेप आपल्याला वेक्टर दिलेलेच असतात. वेक्टरहून काय, त्या दोन्हीचा डॉट प्रोडक्ट, हा झाला डॉट प्रोडक्ट अपॉन मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ फर्स्ट वेक्टर and it is magnitude of second vector. Theta is equal to cos inverse of this. Okay, आता here theta in between 0 to pi. Okay, 0 असेल किंवा pi किंवा in between. Okay, here if theta, here it is a note that theta if 0, okay, less than theta less than pi by 2, that is the acute angle, then a bar dot b bar, it is a greater than 0, that is positive. If theta is a acute angle, okay, if pi by 2 less than theta less than pi, then a dot b is less than 0, that is negative. Okay, here value काय येणार, negative. Okay, then if theta is 0, if theta is 0, then a bar dot b bar is equal to magnitude of a bar square. Okay, a bar dot b bar, it is magnitude of a bar and b bar. Then it is a bar dot b bar. If theta is equal to 0, then a bar dot b bar is equal to magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. Number 4, if theta is equal to 90, that is perpendicular, then a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. Okay. Pi by 2. Okay. If theta is equal to pi by 2, then it is a perpendicular, and if theta is pi, then this value will become negative. Okay. Now here, if theta in between 0 to pi by 2, it is a positive for the acute angle. Then if theta between pi by 2 to pi, then it is a negative. Okay, and if theta is equal to 90 degree, then dot product is 0. Theta is 90 degree, and if theta is 0 degree, then it is magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar, and if theta is pi, then it is minus magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. Okay, आता हे सगळे रिझल्ट तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम साठी आवश्यक आहेत. ओके, हे पूर्ण रिझल्ट तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम साठी आवश्यक आहेत. ओके, इट इज प्रॉपर्टीज. देन याच्यावर तो क्वेश्चन, इफ टू डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स इज 0, देन वेक्टर्स आर परपेंडिकुलर. शो दैट द टू वेक्टर्स आर परपेंडिकुलर, देन वी only show the dot product of this vector is 0, then two vectors are perpendicular. Find the dot product of two vectors. सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट 9 नंबर. ओके, डॉट प्रोडक्ट आपल्याला या पद्धतीनेच काढायचे, ए बार डॉट बी बार. ओके, मॅग्निट्यूड आणि अँगल दिलेला असला तर मग बाय डेफिनेशन मॅग्निट्यूड आणि अँगल जर दिलेला असला तर, जर डायरेक्ट वेक्टर दिलेले असलं तर हेच, आणि मॅक्झिमम तुम्हाला डॉट प्रोडक्ट यूज करायला हेच यूज करायचं. ओके, कंपोनंट्स. ओके, मॅग्निट्यूड आणि अँगल जर दिलेला असला तर डेफिनेशन यूज करा, बाय डेफिनेशन, अँड इट इज अ बाय कंपोनंट. ओके, बाय डेफिनेशन काय, सरळ डेफिनेशन, ए बार डॉट बी बार इज इक्वल टू magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar into cos theta. It is a by definition dot product, and it is a by components. Okay, now and this property, and angle between two vectors, say एक calculated problem, sorry here it is 11. Okay, calculated problem, and find the angle between two vectors, find the dot product, and show that two vectors are perpendicular. ओके, याच्यावर जास्त एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्हाला असणार, पण सगळ्या प्रॉपर्टीज तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये यूज करायच्यात. केअरफुली पहा.